What's it like to spend weeks inside a monastery in complete silence?
The outside world is just gone for a while.
What's it like to find out you're pregnant, but have no idea how you're going to support yourself and your unborn child?
Everything changed in a matter of the minute and a half it takes to get the results of that test.
And what was it like to be the first person to tell the world that a plane had just hit the World Trade Center?
And then I hear the music, the breaking news animation comes up, and we are live.
Season 2 of Tell Me What It's Like brings you these stories and more. Stories of lives changed in an instant. Stories of figuring things out. Stories of trying to make the world a better place. Join me as I seek to uncover what it felt like in the moment, what they learned, and what you and I can learn too. I'm Stacy Raine, and this is Tell Me What It's Like.